Welcome to this complete beginner's guide to investing in the stock market. Whether you are a student, a salaried professional, or someone curious about wealth creation, this video is your one-stop solution to start your investment journey. And yes, we'll walk through the Zerodha app, India's most popular stock trading platform. Stick around till the end to learn pro tips and common mistakes to avoid. Let's begin with the basics. A stock represents a small ownership in a company. When you buy a share of listed company like Reliance, TCS, or Infosys, you become a part owner of that company. The stock market is where investors buy and sell these shares. In India, we primarily use two exchanges, NSE and BSE. Key terms you'll hear often. Demat account, like a digital locker to hold your shares. Trading account, the tool that helps you buy-sell. Broker, the middleman who executes your trades, like Zerodha. Portfolio, your personal collection of investments. Now the biggest question, is stock investing risky? The answer, yes, if done blindly. But with the right knowledge, discipline, and long-term mindset, it's one of the best wealth-building tool available. To start investing, you need a Demat and trading account. Zerodha offers both, and opening one takes just 10 to 15 minutes. Step-by-step process. Visit zerodha.com and click Sign Up. Enter your mobile number and verify via OTP. Enter your PAN, Aadhaar, and bank details. Upload soft copies of documents, PAN card, Aadhaar, cancelled check or bank proof. Do a quick in-app video KYC, hold PAN, and say a given sentence. Add a nominee for safety. Now account opening has no fee and it's free for all residents of India. Once submitted, it takes around 24 to 48 hours for account activation. After account activation, download the Zerodha Kite app or go to kite.zerodha.com. Let's explore its key features. Home tabs. Watch list, track your favorite stocks live. Orders, check pending, executed, or failed trades. Holdings, view your current portfolio. Funds, add withdraw money. Apps, access to Zerodha tools like Console, Coin, Varsity. Add a stock. Tap the plus icon, then search for stock and add to watchlist. Market depth. Tap on a stock and scroll down to check market depth, shows buyers and sellers in real time. Charts. Zerodha uses advanced trading view and chart IQ charts, ideal for both beginners and advanced traders. Now let's make our first investment using the Zerodha app. Before buying, we need to add funds to your account. Steps to add funds. Go to Funds tab, then click Add Funds. Choose UPI, Net Banking, or IMPS. Enter amount, example, 5,000 rupees, and then pay. Buying a share. Go to Watchlist and tap on Stock, example, TCS. Tap Buy. Select quantity, order type, market limit, and choose CNC for delivery. Place order, then confirm, and done. Congrats! You now officially own a share. Once you've invested, it's important to track and manage your shares regularly. Here's what to look for. Holdings tab, it shows all your stocks, quantity, average buy price, and current P&L. Corporate actions like bonus issues, dividends, splits. View orders to check execution status. Download contract notes for records and tax filing. Use the Zerodha console for detailed analytics, tax P&L, and tradebook. Before we wrap up, let's discuss some common mistakes beginners make and how you can avoid them. Mistakes. Investing based on WhatsApp tips or social media hype. Going all in on one stock. Panic selling on small dips. Ignoring long-term vision. Pro tips. Start with blue chip or Nifty 50 stocks. Diversify across sectors. Stay invested for 5+ years. Don't check prices every hour. Use SIPs for equity mutual funds via Zerodha. Congratulations! You've now completed your first step toward financial freedom through stock investing. Just remember, investing is not a race, it's a marathon. Keep learning, stay patient, and focus on long-term wealth creation. If this video helped you, do like, share, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly content. Have questions? Drop them in the comments. I respond to every single one. This is your Wealth and Wonder, signing off. Happy investing.